Hello YouTube, Eric here at Good to Know. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to kind of give a little tutorial about, because now I have experience with cars that are damaged. I had a branch fall on my car when I was out of town. I was in South America for a little while, and I guess a tree branch fell on my car. So I have some damage here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. And the first time I did this was with my window. My back window here got hit by a rock on the road, and the whole thing shattered, but it didn't fall in. It had a little hole. The rest of it was together, and it takes sometimes a couple of weeks for the window to get repaired. And you're gonna get rain, and if you put a plastic bag on and you knock all that stuff in and you put a plastic bag, it's gonna look terrible. So I figured out a really good trick. You buy some shipping tape, and you basically very carefully start with the edges, the strongest part, and start taping it in little by little on one side. Then you go on the inside, you do the other side, and then it's so strong you could actually hit it, but I wouldn't do that. So I had a branch fall on top of my sunroof here, or moonroof, or I think it's a moonroof, and I cleaned off all the debris was here, but there was still a lot of glass here, so I started taping over it. Now it's strong enough I can hit it, you know, it's not going to fall in. If I hit a speed bump, it's not going to fall in. I'm still in the middle of getting my estimate. So basically this is what I'm doing. I'll show you the end result, hopefully in the picture. But all I'm doing is really just, you can see I'm just putting the tape in. The only thing is you can't put pressure on it because it's going to push everything in. So if you just use your nails, it actually makes the glue of the tape just stick to it. And you just do it really lightly. Very lightly, and then the glue of the tape sticks to it. And so I did it here on my windshield here. Also, I'm going to do it on the inside because it kicked the glass into the inside. I don't want to be driving and have my passenger receive a little bit of glass. Maybe it gets in the eye, maybe it gets on the clothes, who knows. But I'm going to put that there. I put a little tape right on the split so that it doesn't cause any glass to fall inside so easily. Then I'm going to put some tape on the inside also. Anywhere there's like a star, that's where I'll be putting the tape, because I have to drive this to the shop to have them take a look at it. So anyway, that's my quick tutorial about how to and I'm going to do the whole thing, and likely I'm going to put a piece of plastic on top and put the tape. I'm going to clean the top of this here and tape it around so that the top is waterproof. That's the main thing, because this is not going to be waterproof. Water can get into the tape. It can just find its way, and I don't want any water damage inside of my vehicle. I don't want any mold, anything like that. So anyway, if you have any questions, I can send another video out, and a follow-up video if you need for anything. Any questions that you have, I can address. And take care. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what I'm putting out there. All right, take care.